Randonautica is a popular adventure app that randomly generates locations to encourage mindful exploration. The app claims to produce coordinates using quantum physics for a journey based on users' thoughts and intentions. Users set an intention for their adventure and choose from different types of GPS points like attractors, voids, or anomalies, which all have to do with how strongly the generated destination is said to relate to a user's intention. Randonautica is known for leading people to unexpected and spooky locations. While the app's claims of combining quantum physics with user intentions lack scientific support, many individuals have shared fascinating stories about experiences they've had while randonauting. To ensure a safe adventure, it's important to explore during the daytime, travel with friends whenever possible, and avoid private property or dangerous areas. Keeping these precautions in mind, anyone can embark on a Randonautica adventure and enjoy the thrill of exploring new and unexpected locations.